Now when you click the first link on the pinned comment section, click on continue with Google. So you're going to be brought into this interface. The next thing you want to do is to select your Google account for this creation of your account. Now once you've selected that, the next thing you want to do is to accept their terms and policy. Now you're going to accept the terms and policy, then come down to click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you'll be creating your account right on this platform. Hey my wonderful subscribers, welcome back to this channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually earn on surveys without VPN. Now this is strictly mostly for Nigerians that are actually finding it difficult to attend to surveys without VPN. Now this particular video is going to take you step by step on how you can earn using this particular app. This is actually a worldwide app where you can actually access survey wherever you are. Now you don't need VPN to have access to this platform. You don't need anything. All you need is your smartphone and data connection. In this particular app, what you mostly do is to take pictures. Now let me explain how this works. These are companies that actually want you to work for them. This company actually is paying you for your time. They can actually direct you to a particular location to snap a particular picture, and you're going to be uploading directly to that platform. Now these pictures are not going to be saved on your phone. They're automatically going to be saved on this platform. Now the essence of this is that these particular organizations are using you to get information about a particular product or a particular location. So you are actually using this particular app to snap and send directly to this platform, and you're going to be rewarding you for your time. Now what I'm going to do is to direct you on how to use this app and make earnings with it. However, before I go ahead showing you how to leverage on this app, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. And the next thing you want to do is to accept your terms and policy, then confirm this, then you have to wait right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to select your language right here. You can just go ahead to select the one that matches your phone language, then click on continue. So right here you're going to be inserting your first name and also your last name. So I'm going to be putting my first name right here, and I'm also going to be putting my last name right here. So I'm going to click on continue, and I'm also going to be adding my year of birth. I'm also going to be continuing this. Now they said you have shared your location. Tap next to update accounts with your location. So you need to turn on your location because this particular app deals with location. So right here we just need to click on next and click on create profile. Now you just have to follow this process to create your account. The next thing you want to do right here is to select your gender. So we are going to select male, and they said which of the following best describes the area where you live. Just click on rural depending on your area. So right here they said your profile is complete and now you can access more tags. So click on see tags. Okay, so right now you can just come back to this update. So this is how the interface is going to look like when you register for an account on this particular app, the premise app. So what you just need to do right there is to come down to where you can actually see tags. So right here, these are the tags that you can actually do. So this particular app works with your location. So whenever you're using this app, make sure your location is turned on. You don't actually need a VPN to have access to this particular app. Okay, so right now when you come down to your accounts, you can actually set up your profile right here. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to come down to this particular interface right here. You can actually see this particular three dots right here. So once you click on that, you can actually see what you want to filter, what you just don't want to actually see on your account. You can filter them right here. So looking at this account, you can actually see requires travel, record location, take photos, take a survey, take screenshots, record audio, record video, requires internet. So these are what I actually want to see on my account. If you actually don't want anyone, you can come right here and tick this box, and you're going to be filtering this out. So this is actually what I want. So I actually came right to these three dots right here, and you're going to be filtering what you don't want. But for me, I actually want all. Now when you come down to this particular map right here, you're going to see that they actually need your location for you to actually successfully use this platform. So your location needs to be on. Now when you come right to this particular interface, you're going to be seeing that they have mined your location area. So when you go ahead taking this particular tax, you're going to be seeing that you'll be getting 360 naira from 5 to 10 minutes. Now when you click on see more, you are going to be seeing the tax available to you right here on your account. Now these tax are what you can actually do without any VPN, and you're going to be getting paid on your account. So once you come over to wallet right here, you're going to be seeing the actual balance you have on your account. You can actually come down when you have actually gotten to minimum withdrawal and click on cash out to place your withdrawal. Now the withdrawal method right here happens to be PayPal and other means like Pioneer and the likes of it, depending on your location or your region. Okay, so right here it says once a tax is submitted, you can review and check the status right here. So once you actually taking any tax right on your account, you are going to be seeing the display right here, and you're going to be seeing the review about the tax you've taken on your account. So if you actually want to go ahead to take this particular tax, all you have to do is to tap on it, and you're going to be seeing the description of what they actually want you to do. Right here it says mines in your area, 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Photo must be clear in bright lighting condition and of the requested subject. This task will ask you to identify mines in your local area. Please observe all local rules, laws and regulations when completing this task. Your safety is important. Please only complete this task when you feel it's safe to do. So once you go ahead clicking on start now, you're going to be doing this task right on your account, but make sure you have gone through all this. Now this particular app is an app where you can actually take photos and you're going to be getting paid. Now like I said earlier, you're actually working for this company just like a virtual agent. You're actually taking pictures of your locations and the directive of where they actually want you to go, and you're actually uploading it on their app, and they are going to be paying you for that. Now when you go ahead to take this particular one that says fight hopes in your community, now it is not in another person's community, in your own community, depending on your location. So once you click on that, you're going to be seeing the description right here. 5 to 10 minutes to complete. Photo must be clear in bright lighting conditions and of the requested subject. Premise is interested in quality of industrial fried hoops in local communities. This task will ask you to find an industrial fried hoop in your local area and take pictures on it. You can actually see that this is very direct and very straightforward. They are asking you that before you can go ahead to take this task, you need to be in a particular location that has this particular fried hoop in your local area before you can go ahead to click on start now. So once you click on start now, the camera will be displayed to you just to take a picture of what they have actually asked you to do. Now you can actually see that right here, these are the available tasks I have on my account. So it is always advisable you come daily to check on your account to see the tasks you have on your account, so you can have access to finish these tasks before time. So once you are done with these tasks, your total earnings should be showing on your account right here under your wallet. So once you have actually gotten to the withdrawal threshold, you are going to be placing your withdrawal just as easy as that. Now when you go back to your account, you're going to be seeing this unpaid tax right here. Now this unpaid tax, when you go ahead to take this unpaid tax, you're not going to be paid for it. This is just like you unlocking high tax on your account, just like what they said. They said unpaid tax, informational tax, photo best practice guide. So you just have to click on that. So this is just like a guide. You're not going to be paid for this. You can actually see the survey tax, information tax, photo best practice guide. So once you go ahead taking this particular unpaid tax, you're not going to be paid for it. So you can click on see more to see the particular tax. So you're not going to be paid for this tax, just like what it said, unpaid tax. So if you're taking this tax, just put it in mind that you're not going to be paid. Now the one above is what you're going to be paid for. You can actually see right here I have only 4 tax. So subsequent times you'll be giving more tax on your account to access on your account. Now most times you can come down to hidden tax, and you're going to be seeing available tax that are hidden on your account. So that's all you can actually use this particular app to earn every single day, just by taking surveys, but a picture survey. To complete your profile, you just need to come over to account, and you're going to be seeing update your info to get relevant tax. Just like I said, every time I'm actually explaining about survey, your profile actually determines the kind of tax that will be assigned to you, and your location also. So what you just want to do is to come down to profile. You can actually see my details. So this is actually completed. Personal information is completed. About me is completed. So my personal details is what they actually want me to do. So what they actually want me to do is to fill out the details. What is your current employment status? What is your highest level of education? Which country or territory are you originally from? What is your region? What is your ethnicity or ancestry? Below are some common responses in your area. What is your marital status? Which of the following best describes your financial situation? So these are what you just need to fill, and you click on submit. By so doing, you are actually activating more tax to your account and to attract more tax and surveys to your profile. And so if you actually want to get more bonuses for yourself, just like what they said, rewards, bonuses and events, and more, join now. So once you click on invite friends to join premises, you're going to be using that to invite more people to your account, and you're going to be getting some bonuses for doing so. Now since this particular app is worldwide and the value is actually top notch, what you just have to do right here is to advance your earnings. Like we all know, when you actually use proxy or VPN on apps like this, you're going to be getting more tax and more surveys into your account. So it's advisable, if you actually want to get more tax and more service, you can go further to use the proxy or the VPN. However, you can actually see that this particular platform or app has a user-friendly interface where you can actually navigate and attend to this tax to make earnings every single day. You're going to be getting paid for your time and the particular tax you've attended to. So what you just need to do is to use the link on the pinned comment section, set up an account for yourself. You don't actually need a VPN to get started. Then start attending to this tax on your phone. Very simple and user-friendly. So thank you for watching to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video and keep winning.